Picture this. You're boondocking in the desert, miles from civilization. The sun sets, you turn on the heater, and total darkness. My battery died on night 1, completely ruining our family trip. Finding an RV battery that won't leave you stranded is an overwhelming maze of technical specs and marketing snake oil. You waste money and risk your safety guessing. Today, I'll reveal the exact RV batteries that actually deliver power when you need it most. Stick around, because my number 1 pick will completely change how you camp off-grid forever. 7. Renogy Deep Cycle. When I first hauled this unit into my testing setup, the immense physical weight immediately reminded me of the struggles of traditional battery chemistry. Maneuvering this massive lead-acid block into a cramped RV battery compartment is physically exhausting. I hooked it up to my roof-mounted solar array just to see if older deep cycle technology still holds up against the demands of modern boondocking and the electronics we carry today. Performance-wise, it does exactly what traditional deep cycles do, which is adequate but incredibly limiting in practice. During my field tests, it easily handled standard low-draw appliances like the interior LED lights and the water pump. However, the moment I fired up a standard kitchen coffee maker, the voltage sagged drastically. My inverter's low-voltage alarm triggered much earlier than I anticipated, forcing me to constantly micromanage my power usage so the entire electrical system wouldn't abruptly shut down. The biggest drawback I experienced during testing was the strict depth of discharge limitation. To preserve the health of these internal cells, you realistically cannot drain it below 50%, meaning a 100 amp-hour rating only actually gives you 50 usable amps. Additionally, the charging speed is agonizingly slow compared to the newer options. I found myself running a loud, obnoxious gas generator for hours on end, just to slowly restore the battery to a full float charge. Ultimately, this battery sits at the bottom of the list because off-grid power has simply evolved. While it works as an affordable temporary fix if you are stuck, or if you exclusively camp at RV parks with steady shore power, it falls painfully short for true off-grid boondocking. 6. ExpertPower B07X4Z8FML. Unboxing this unit was a massive relief. Its lightweight design is a huge breath of fresh air compared to heavy traditional batteries. I easily installed it in my rig and set out for a weekend mountain trip to test its advertised long cycle lifespan and its general reliability under typical everyday RV living conditions. For basic daily power needs, the ExpertPower performed admirably during the early stages of my trip. It provided a remarkably steady flat voltage curve, allowing me to run all my lights and charge laptops without any of that annoying voltage sag. It was deeply satisfying to finally use the full 100% of the battery's capacity without worrying about permanent internal damage, which is exactly why so many RVers are eagerly upgrading their systems to lithium. However, as I pushed the battery much harder, the distinct cracks in its budget-friendly design quickly emerged. During a chilly morning test, I discovered it lacks internal low-temperature charging protection. Charging this battery below freezing can permanently ruin the cells, which is a massive oversight for year-round campers. Additionally, when I ran a high-draw microwave, the internal battery management system simply tripped and shut everything down, clearly struggling to handle sudden heavy current surges. This battery lands at number 6 because you are forced to compromise on vital safety and performance features to save a little cash. The lack of cold weather safeguards means you must manually monitor temperatures before letting your solar panels charge it, which is tedious and stressful. While it is a functional entry-level battery for fair weather campers with very minimal power demands, anyone relying on their rig for heavier loads will find themselves heavily disappointed by these sudden power limitations. 5. TEMGO 12 volts. Right out of the box, I was thrilled by its built-in self-heating technology and Bluetooth connectivity, which are usually reserved for the most expensive brands. I took this battery deep into the mountains specifically to test its performance during freezing overnight temperatures. When the thermometer dropped drastically, I nervously watched my solar charge controller as the sun rose. the internal self-heating function worked absolutely perfectly, representing a massive step up from our previous contender. Before accepting the solar charge and risking cellular damage, the battery automatically diverted the incoming solar power to an internal heating pad. Once the core temperature reached a safe operational level, it seamlessly began charging the battery itself. This completely eliminates cold weather anxiety, making it a genuinely viable option for full-time RVers facing unexpected freezing snaps on the road. The integrated Bluetooth functionality also completely transformed my entire testing experience. Instead of relying on an inaccurate wall-mounted voltage meter, I simply pulled out my smartphone to view real-time data on the state of charge, current draw, and exact cell temperature. While the app interface is a bit clunky and sometimes takes a few tries to connect, the wealth of information is invaluable. I could pinpoint exactly how much power my 12-volt fridge consumed overnight. While the TEMGO is a massive technological improvement, it sits at number 5 because the brand is relatively new, making its long-term multi-year reliability slightly unproven. The physical plastic casing also feels slightly less robust than the premium options on the market. However, the feature set is undeniably impressive for the price point. It represents a fantastic middle ground for RVers wanting modern conveniences like cold weather protection without paying absolute top-tier luxury prices. 4. Redodo 12-volt. Redodo has been making massive waves in the RV community recently, so I eagerly acquired one to see if the hype was actually justified. What struck me immediately was the exceptional build quality of the exterior casing. It felt incredibly dense, tightly sealed, and rugged enough to handle the constant aggressive vibrations of driving a heavy rig down poorly maintained Forest Service dirt roads. In terms of raw power delivery, the Redodo proved to be an absolute unyielding workhorse. I aggressively stressed the battery by running a large 2,000-watt inverter, powering a kitchen toaster and my RV's entire entertainment system simultaneously. Unlike the cheaper models that trip under pressure, the Redodo's internal components handled the high continuous discharge perfectly. The voltage remained incredibly stable right up until depletion, delivering consistent, reliable power throughout the test. I also deeply appreciated the sheer efficiency of its internal design during my usage. Having torn down similar batteries in the past, I know messy internal wiring is common in this price bracket. While I did not cut this specific unit open, its consistent performance, lack of heat generation under heavy load, and tight terminals indicate excellent engineering. It charged rapidly via my shore power converter, absorbing every single amp without showing any signs of thermal stress. The Redodo earns the solid number 4 spot by being the ultimate value-to-performance battery. It intentionally strips away flashy bells and whistles like Bluetooth and heating pads to focus purely on delivering high-quality, brute force power at a highly competitive price point. It is the absolute perfect choice for the pragmatic RVer who generally camps in moderate climates, offering stellar reliability without forcing you to pay for extra unnecessary features you might never use. 3. Litime 12-volt. This brand absolutely dominates the online market, and after thoroughly testing it in my own rig, it is very easy to see why. I put this unit through an aggressive, punishing cycle testing regimen, deliberately draining it to 0 and rapidly charging it repeatedly. The Litime absorbed this compressed, heavy punishment flawlessly, maintaining its full capacity throughout the entire agonizing ordeal. What truly sets the Litime apart in practical use is its astonishing longevity and stability. The manufacturer claims thousands upon thousands of life cycles, and the negligible capacity loss during my heavy stress tests strongly suggests this battery will easily outlast your actual RV. It gave me an immense sense of security, knowing that whether I was boondocking for a weekend or living entirely off-grid for a month, my power storage required absolutely zero maintenance or second guessing. During a blistering hot desert trip, I relied heavily on this exact battery to power my 12-volt air conditioning setup and heavy-duty refrigerator. The continuous output was flawless, and the battery exterior barely grew warm to the touch. The highly refined battery management system perfectly balanced the internal cells and fully protected against overcharging. When I accidentally crossed a hot wire during a fuse install, the BMS instantly shut down, saving my entire electrical system from disaster. The Litime comfortably takes the third spot because it offers premium-level performance and peace of mind at a price accessible to the average camper. It lacks the hyper-advanced smart features of the top two contenders, but it makes up for it with sheer bulletproof reliability and an incredible track record among full-timers. If you want a battery that you can simply drop into your RV and completely forget about for a decade, the Litime is an exceptionally smart investment. 2. Renogy 12V. When I swapped this premium upgraded offering into my rig, it truly felt like stepping into the future. Packed with high-end technology, it features both a highly effective self-heating function and deeply advanced Bluetooth monitoring. I took this battery out into a brutal winter storm, specifically to test its genuine off-grid resilience when things get incredibly tough. The performance under pressure was absolutely spectacular. The intelligent self-heating function kicked in silently as the ambient temperatures plummeted, effortlessly and safely preparing the frozen cells for morning solar charging. But what truly amazed me was how these specific batteries communicate. When wired in parallel, their internal systems sync flawlessly to balance the load and charge state. This sophisticated communication ensures no single battery is ever overworked, dramatically extending your entire system's overall lifespan. The Bluetooth connectivity on this Pro model is definitively best in class. The polished companion app connects almost instantly, providing a remarkably detailed, beautiful breakdown of the internal casing environment. I could accurately monitor individual cell temperatures, check precise cycle counts, and see exactly how many days of autonomy remained, based on my current power draw. It transforms you into a highly informed energy manager, allowing you to tweak daily consumption for maximum off-grid duration. The Renogy Pro Smart is a technological marvel that covers absolutely every single base an RVer could dream of. It provides flawless cold weather protection, elite digital monitoring, and incredibly stable power delivery. The only reason it isn't number one is the incredibly stiff legacy competition sitting at the top. 1. Battleborn Batteries B06XX197GJ. In the RV community, Battleborn is the absolute gold standard, and I was incredibly eager to verify if its premium reputation holds up today. Lifting the iconic blue and black casing, I could instantly feel the superior American engineering. I built my ultimate dream off-grid setup around this battery, pushing it with the heaviest, most demanding electrical loads possible. The performance is completely unparalleled in this space. I threw absolutely everything at it, aggressively running an air conditioner, a hairdryer, and a microwave simultaneously. The proprietary internal battery management system, designed entirely in-house by their engineers, handled massive current surges with a grace that no other battery could match. There was zero voltage drop and zero system tripping. It delivers raw, sustained power so consistently, it feels like you are plugged into city grid power. What truly sets Battleborn apart from everyone else is the architecture of the lithium cells themselves. Instead of using cheaper prismatic cells, they utilize highly stable cylindrical cells tightly packed to resist aggressive road vibrations. This insanely robust construction handles the physical abuse of off-road boondocking flawlessly. Furthermore, their Nevada-based customer service is legendary. Actual engineers will patiently walk you through the most complex wiring setups over the phone if you ever get stuck. The Battleborn rightfully takes the #1 spot because it is the ultimate buy once, cry once investment for your rig. It certainly comes with a premium price tag, but it is firmly backed by an ironclad 10-year warranty and a flawless track record of surviving the harshest environments. When you are miles deep in the backcountry, you simply cannot put a price on absolute certainty. It is the undisputed heavyweight king of off-grid power.